Hello, hi Scorpios. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading known as situationship. It might resonate related to career or relationship. Okay, like that particular situation is going on currently with you. This reading is for the month of September 2021. Let's get into it, Scorpios. Okay, so yeah, Scorpios, what are you going through in the month of September? You feel that there is a lack of trust into a situation. You don't trust completely someone. Okay, yes, you're realizing a lot of facts, realizations, true faces about the people around you, and that really is stressing you out. Okay, you're just going with the flow, doing nothing, just going with the flow, just going with the flow. That's the situation you're in. Okay, you're juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Wow. You feel that you're dealing with someone who is, from your past life. You're dealing with someone to whom you believe and to whom there is a strong magnetic connection with you. Okay, you're getting a lot of dreams about someone. Okay, a lot of dreams about someone. Okay, you are just being patient enough, and at the same time you're just going with the flow. Some of the Scorpios who are who are already feminines, they might be pregnant or they might hear a news of pregnancy. Okay, so yeah, you're just being silent enough, going with the flow right now into a situation. Okay, you are tuning into a higher self. Your third eye chakra is opening, or you need meditation and yoga for few of you. Okay, so yeah, you feel that a lot of politics is going on around you. Okay, politics, sneaky energy, manipulative energy, negative energy, a lot of politics has taken place. Okay, so yeah, or you feel that there are double faced people around you. Okay, guys, if you want to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for learning tarot card reading and numerology sessions, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so okay, so there is some wish fulfillment which is going to come true within next 1 year. Okay, a major wish fulfillment you are going to manifest, and that will come true within next 1 year. You are gaining a lot of clarity into a situation related to a person or a situation or your personal life. Okay, so yeah, there is fights, issues, problems, two people at a distance, emotional detachment or physical detachment. Things are not good in your marriage life, Scorpios. Okay, for few of you. Yes, you are thinking to move on, or you are thinking to release a third party situation. There might be an issues happened in your wedding because of the third person, and now you are thinking to release it. Okay, ऐसा. Okay, you are feeling that you need to let go of the situation and move on. Okay, from that situation, basically, which is good. You feel that two people at a distance thinking about each other, either physical or emotional separation, but you are thinking about each other and you want to be with each other, and that is your wish which is going to come true within next 1 year. Okay, so that's the thing. Yes, something happened in the past that shook you off. Okay, something happened which you really took you off guard. Okay, in your personal life or into your relationship, I feel. But you are gaining a lot of clarity related to a situation. You feel very stuck when it comes to marriage. You feel very stuck. Okay, things are not working out the way you want, but things are feeling very stuck right now into a marriage. Okay, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. You are evaluating the pros and cons. There is a divine timing playing its role. Divine timing is at play. Okay, yes. Also, you are thinking to travel somewhere, explore somewhere within next 7 months. Travel might come, you might shift, you might relocate. Okay, so yeah, traveling is on the horizon for you within next 7 months. You want happily ever after with someone. Okay, you want overall happiness in your marriage life. Okay, and you're thinking about it, you are thinking about overall stability into your married life. And I think 1010, that means 1010, it's an angel number. Okay, universal number. That means um, there will be overall stability happily ever after into your married life or into your situation when it comes to your personal life, and it will be happening within next 10 months, within next 10 months. Okay, so yeah, you are really disappointed because someone left you out in the cold and that you are unable to move on from that situation. Okay, that's the thing. Your past, you are unable to move on because your past is um, is on the way for you. That's why you are unable to move on. You are waiting for some sort of a major money related thing. Okay, which is not coming true, and new beginning is not happening, and it will be happening within next 1 year. Okay, within next 1 year, a major offer of money will be coming, major project will be coming related to money, that will solve all your money problems. Okay, so yeah, let's see what's going on in your love life. Okay, so you need to release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. You are releasing your ex, whatever third party situation you are in, you are releasing it to move on. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So you are just learning your present situations. Okay, that's the thing. You are releasing your ex and moving on. Okay, yes, clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you right now. You have started manifesting things in your life. Okay, children, your love life is being affected by children, so there are children involved into your married life, which is because of which your love life is affected. That's the thing. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime. So there is someone with whom you are either dating, or you are in a relationship, or you are in a marriage. But yeah, there is some true love where you have a strong magnetic connection with someone. Okay, and you cannot resist that connection, to be honest. Okay, deception, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Okay, so someone is really very deceptive. Either it is currently or it was. Okay, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Okay, yeah, you are not unable to get a clarity of a situation, but yeah, someone is really deceptive. Okay, so yeah, okay, you need to let go of the situation, walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Wow, you need to spend time with animals. You understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. Trust your inner guidance and animals will start working for you, which is very good. Freedom, you are free to do whatever you choose. Whatever freedom you are having, it's good for you. Okay, so yeah. Body work. Okay, so your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical therapy, exercising and training. Wow. Creative expression, your soul longs to express itself creatively. You are going to spend time with nature by doing artistic works like painting, drawing, dancing. So have a creative expression about yourself. What is that particular thing that really helps you out to heal. Okay, so yeah, yes, some of you might involve in oracle cards and tarot card readers as well. Some of you might be into tarot card reading, or some of you might be into energy healing. Okay, so yes, this was a beautiful reading, Scorpios. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Bye bye, take care. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.